Hello people, DTPK here, and today we're going to be making a door in UDK. Yes, this ain't going to be an ordinary door, this is going to be a sliding door. We're going to go through quite a few steps here and mess with the Unreal Matinee and things. Okay, so let's get to this. First of all, you might want to watch my other video on how to make a small little building in UDK. Pretty much once you get your building done, all you do is you set your builder tool and wait, I'm gonna actually go to your content browser and type in door and hit all assets, of course. Now you might want to hit static meshes. Now we're only doing this step here to get a relative size for how big this door is gonna be, and I kind of want a sliding door, so okay, yeah, there it is. Well, this is just so I can get a size on how we should make this. Okay, our person's gonna be about that size and height, so we gotta make it at least that high. Now double click this. I think I might have said it wrong before in the previous video. Just you double right click it, not left click it. Okay, now you just turn off hollowed and just keep adjusting your variables till you get the size of the door you want. I have a feel mine's gonna be around there, maybe 100 something. Under 40, that should about do it. Let me just, that should maybe do it. Yeah, that will do it. Okay, now we adjust our zenith, which is our up and down. We want to make this really small too, not too small. We want our person to fit through the door. Now let's make that a little bit bigger. 89, about there. Okay, now we're gonna go 109. How about that? We drag this up a little bit. Whoop, we're on our door still. Okay, we'll just keep making this bigger till it fits. That looks like it might fit, so let me just, I should turn wireframe on, but I don't want to confuse anyone here. Okay, our door is about there. I might make this X a little bit bigger at 159. Okay, that's pretty much close enough to it. Let's just get on and actually do this. Now what you want to do is you want to hit CSG subtract, which is the opposite of making, it's deleting. Now pretty much once you move this box out of the way and move our door out of the way, you're gonna see that there's a hole there now. Let's just test it. I want to make sure that's big enough for our person. I haven't built the lighting, so you're probably not gonna be able to see where I'm at. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see anything. Crap. Okay, that should be the right size. Now let's just go about animating this door. This is real easy to do. All you do is you select your door, make sure it's down here, right where you want it. Now you want to go to hit view, browser window, view, Unreal Matinee. Oh, mine's down here. Okay, move this out of the way so you can see a little bit. What you want to do is you want to hit new action. Oh wait, we have to add a trigger first. Sorry, my bad. Okay, now you want to hit right click, hit add actor, and add trigger. Now you want to drag this close to your door so when you bump into it, it'll at least open the door. Have your trigger selected, right click, and hit new event using trigger 0 and then hit touched. Now what you want to do here is you want to Also right click and hit New Manatee. Now what you want to do is you want to put touched to play, just like that. Just click and drag. You want to put untouched to reverse. Now once you got that done, click your door, make sure you have it selected, and double click this. This should pop up. You can minimize this for now, you don't really need it. Now you have to do is you have to make some classes. This is pretty simple. All you do is you right click here and hit add new empty group. Then you pretty much name it. I'm gonna name it door. Then you right click this and hit new give me a second, I'm trying to remember. I believe it's new animation control track. No, it's new movement track. Yeah, that's it for sure. Blah. Had a brain fart there. Okay. Yes, we want to create this track. Oh, one thing though, if you're using like a certain door or something, or your own door, you have to make sure that it's set for that's able to move. This is really easy to do. You can just right click and hit let me just remember where it's at. Convert to mover, and then it'll actually move around, but I can't do it right now because I already have the door selected and ready for this. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go keyframe this. Just you go up here and push this as a keyframe. Then you drag this here. Now you move your door up as far as you want it, or down. I'm moving up because I don't know, it just looks more, because I didn't make it the same size, but yeah, I might move it down, why not? Okay, move it down. Try not to move it all the way so I can get a hold of it. Whatever. Okay, like that, and you hit keyframe again. Pretty much this is what we got. When you hit play here, it should just completely move like that. Then when you hit reverse, it should go up. You can add sounds to it though, but really if you're making a sliding door, what kind of sound is it gonna have, you know? Okay, now you can hit file and actually hit exit. Just push the X, and I believe that's it. You can add another trigger on the side to make it so it reverses and reopens. Let me just build all and check to make sure I did this right. Even I can't remember everything, so if I messed up the first time, I messed up. With any luck, I got it right on the first try. Okay, let's check the swarm agent, see where we're at, if I have to pause this video or not. Hopefully it'll build instantly like the last time. Yeah, you bros probably noticed this world is different. I didn't save the last world we were working on. Like, it didn't save for some odd reason. I can't explain it. So I had to completely rebuild it, and this is what I got. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna take a while, and it actually looks like my program might have froze. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get back to you when it's done. Okay bros, I'm back. It wouldn't render because of my sky. It was taking too long to render the sky in, so I got rid of it and rendered. Now there's 2 more steps you have to do before you can actually play and trigger the door. You have to right click your mesh. These 2 steps are only for if you use a mesh that's not dynamic. In my case, I did that by mistake. All you do is hit convert and convert mesh to mover, which I already did. And the second step is to hit interpolating and change interpret actor properties, then change the physics to interpolating. Now let's test the door out and see if it works. Yep, it seems like it works. Okay. Now you might want it to close back up when you go in. All you do is you just put another trigger on the other side and set it to reverse instead of played. Just like this trigger, we had it just set to play. Okay. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I seem to be running out of time. If you thought this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. DTPK signing off.